Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll make a delicious, you can call it even as a one-pot meal, which is a Bisibele Bhath, but in a very simple and easy way without any grinding also. Serve this simply delicious Bisibele Bhath along with some raita and chips or fried papad. Enjoy it with your family and friends over this weekend. Here I have half cup of Tuvar dal. Equal quantity, half cup of raw rice. This is the single polish Sona Masuri rice which we regularly use at home. You can use any raw rice. We'll wash it. So totally 1 cup rice and dal together. You can take about 2 cups of mixed vegetables. That is the chopped vegetables. I have taken 1 carrot, 1 piece of this yellow pumpkin, 1 potato finely chopped, and also about 1/4 cup of frozen green peas. If you have beans, noolkal, cauliflower, whatever other vegetables you can take that. Also 1 lemon sized piece of tamarind. I am just adding 1 cup of hot water to soak it. Now in your pressure cooker, take 5 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. See, the water is coming to a boil. Add the washed rice and dal to it. Add in the peeled and chopped vegetables, carrot and pumpkin, and also the potatoes and frozen green peas. See, when it starts boiling once again, now pressure cook it. Meanwhile, we can take out the tamarind extract and keep that also ready. I have pressure cooked it for 2 whistles and switched it off. Let the pressure release naturally. Now we'll open it and see. See, the rice and dal have cooked well, also the vegetables. Now we'll keep this aside for now. Now heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, about 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts, and a few curry leaves. When the cashew nuts are well roasted, pour it on top of this cooked rice and vegetables. Now in the same pan, add in this tamarind extract. Add salt as required and 2 tablespoons of this Bisibele Bhath masala. I'll give you the link in the description box. Let this all just cook together for a few minutes. This will give you the authentic flavor, and we don't have to go around roasting and grinding the spices. Especially for bachelors and beginners, I thought this will be an easy method to show you. Let the masala and the tamarind cook well on a low flame till the raw smell of the tamarind goes away. Now bring the cooker back on the stove and add in this Bisibele Bhath masala along with the tamarind extract and salt to it. I am just adding a little bit of the rice to remove all the masala. Give it all a good mix. Cook it on a low flame and without covering just for 2 to 3 minutes till it again comes to a boil and all the flavors are blended well. See the consistency? It should not be very thick and not too liquid also, just a flowing consistency like this. This is perfect. Now I can switch this off. If at any time you feel that it is too thick, because depending on the quality of the rice, you can always add some hot water to it. But for me this is perfect. So I'll just leave it like this. See. Now in a teaspoon of ghee, we will just saute one chopped onion and one chopped capsicum. Just add a little bit of salt for this onion and the capsicum alone. See, this way when we saute it and add it finally, it adds a lovely crunch also, and your Bisibele Bhath gets taken to a different level altogether. See, the onion and capsicum have sauteed well. Now we will just add this to our bhath, Bisibele Bhath, and give it all a good mix once again. If you are a person who does not eat onion, as I always say, omit the onion, only saute the capsicum and add. Meanwhile, we will make a little raita. So 1 cup of homemade dahi or curd. I have beaten it well. 1 small tomato, finely chopped. 1 onion and 1 green chilli, also finely chopped. Add a little bit of salt. Mix it all well together. And add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And your tomato onion raita is ready. Now we are ready to serve our piping hot Bisibele Bhath. Bisi means hot. Bele is the lentils or dal and Bhath is the rice. So Bisibele Bhath, really busy and absolutely tasty, divine. Just topping it up with a little of that cashew nut curry leaves which we have roasted in the beginning. Today I served my absolutely tasty Bisibele Bhath with this tomato onion raita and a few potato chips on the side. You can have chips or fried papad. If you have kara bundi, you can sprinkle that also. Whatever is available for you at home. This style of making Bisibele Bhath is simple, at the same time very delicious. You and your family can enjoy it over lunch or dinner. I'll give you the link to the masala in the description box. So this saves time too, especially in the hot weather or when you have a lot of work, you have guests coming over, or you just want to relax over the weekend, don't want to take too much effort, try this. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen.